To show how components can be manipulated in SolidContact, let's start by inserting an axis component. Now let's replace the axis component with a filter section. Let's try a different filter type. Components can also easily be moved around. For example, let's move the filter component upstream of the process fan. Now let's move the filter back to its original position. To test changing components, let's replace the filter with a plenum split section. Finally, let's remove the split section and return the design to its original settings. Keep in mind that all changes are constrained by the design rules for the system type.